Yeah. Light one up. Let's take it easy for a minute. Good vibes only.
What's good, Gromies? Welcome back to Wepop Gardening. It is finally that time. As you can see, the surroundings have changed, and boy, do we got a perfect setup here, fam. So, yep, today is the day. We're gonna get this prepped and rolling and get these girls set up in the ground here. Yeah, fam, so this is gonna be it right here. We're gonna set up down here roughly, I don't know, 8 to 10 feet up here off the bank line. That way we're not drowning them. We'll be above the water level, but we should have good saturation here through the rest of the summer. I know I'm getting these girls in the ground a little late. We've had some things, for those of you that have been here, y'all know what I'm talking about with losses this year. But we're gonna get these set up right here, and I'm gonna prep the soil here and get them in the ground. What a view, fam. Yeah, this is beautiful out here. Just want to take a second and soak that in. But we got the first hole dug here. So this is more of a sandy clay-based soil. So we're gonna have lower pH in this. And I got a mix for some Pro Mix. We're gonna put some of that azalea food in there. And I brought some lime to raise the pH levels, because I'm certain it's lower than what it needs to be. So we need to get the pH levels right. I got some tricks of the trade I'm gonna be dealing with, but just wanted to put this out there, let you guys see how we were rolling with that. I'm gonna get that set up, mixed up, and we'll get the first one in the ground. All right, fam, so I pulled some pond water here. I'm gonna check the pH on this just to see kind of what the pH level is on that. I think we could actually use the pond water, because that's gonna be perfect pH. It's sitting about, actually, wow, I lied. So the pond water is actually sitting about 6.2 to 6.5 on average, the 3 times we tested it. So we're gonna roll with that, and I think the lower pH in there with the Pro Mix, it'll hold some of the pH levels up. I'm gonna add a slight bit of lime to the mix, but past that we should be good to go. And we're gonna use the pond water here to water the plants out, because it'll run right back in. So I'm gonna get that set up, fam, and we'll get into that. All right, fam, sorry it's a little loud. We got the mini excavator out here digging the holes, trying to simplify it for us. So I wanted to show you guys this. I'm using Soil Doctor's pelletized lawn lime. This is gonna generally bring up the pH levels and keep them where we need them. Trick to this is not to use too much, fam, because man, you can always add more, you just can't take it away, you know what I mean? So I'm literally gonna take probably a handful here and just dump it into the mix here, because these are bigger pellets, maybe 2. We'll mix that into that once we blend it with the soil over here, and we'll get that in the hole. All right, y'all, so we got the the lime in there. We're gonna mix that up, and the Pro Mix. This Pro Mix has that azalea food in it that I blended. I will let you guys see that. I know it sounds crazy. It's got chicken manure, bone meal, feather meal, a whole bunch of different stuff in it for nitrogen levels. This will keep me from having to constantly be feeding it. It also has Gaia Green in it. This has been cooking for a minute, y'all. So we're just gonna add that little bit of lime in there, blend this up, and then we'll start mixing this in and get these holes filled up and get these plants in the ground. What's good, fam? So there it is after a long hot morning. We got them in. So we got the 2 Colombian Golds. That's this one here. We got the other one over here. And I got a feeling once these guys get established, these girls get established, they're gonna be massive, y'all. Here we got the Zilla up third, and one of my very first indoor grows, the Ayahuasca Purple. So that's what she's looking like. We are all set here, ready to rock and roll. We got some space in between them, so we got room for growth. I also have these situated to where airflow is running this way in case something crazy happens, they herm, or we got anything goofy going on. But I layered the dirt with the pre-amended soil that I had for the pro mix. We got that in the mix. All we got left to do is water. Well, that's gonna wrap it up today. I gotta head to work. So what's good, Canna fam? Just wanted to bring you guys an update. We are about 4 days removed from getting these planted, maybe 5, I don't know. Getting some hella rain out here, which is sweet. And perfect timing right after the transplant. Y'all can see we got some pretty substantial growth over the last couple days here. They've established well. These Colombians are looking awesome. We are not dealing with bug issues quite yet. We got a few little critters crawling on them, ants, normal BS, but nothing crazy. I got some neem oil. I'm gonna get set up here in the next few days. I just wanted to get them established before I actually got into it here, and get these sprayed down so we don't have issues. But this thing's bushing out like crazy, y'all. So good timing on the transplants. I'm pretty stoked about it. They've established real well. This is that other Colombian. And man, this one's grown its tail off. Good thick solid stalks. Y'all can see the sex there showing. It's gonna be a beauty right there. She's already grown about 6 to 8 inches since I put her in the ground. Those tops are starting to stem out real good. Got a little bit of yellowing down here on the bottom side. Nothing too crazy. And clean this up a little bit today, get some of this out of here, and should be good. I don't want to bore y'all with that, but we'll clean that one up. And then this is that Kong, y'all. Like, that's gonna be great for out here. She's already lanking out. So had a lot of y'all comment when I grew this indoor that it was a lanky plant and I needed to get the light closer and blah blah blah. I hate to say it, but that's just the structure of this one. We are looking solid over here. This one I'm probably gonna have to get a support on because she's getting long already, and she's a little floppy on me. The breeze is gonna start helping that. She's just growing fast, so I may have to give this one a little extra attention throughout the run here. But we'll get these off the ground so we got less transfer possibilities, and let them ride out. Run over here, this little beauty. This is the Ayahuasca Purple. This one's growing solid. I'm loving it. This is 100% indica, y'all. This is from Barney's Farms, also over there, North Atlantic Seeds. Which again, fam, we have that massive promotional sale going on this weekend, being that it's 4th of July weekend here. Don't miss out on that, you guys. They're going to be doing 10% breeders, 10% off on the breeders, and freebie packs. And you can stack my code Wepop and get yourself an additional 10% off whatever is going on site-wide. So it's a good time to get some genetics, fam. But I came up, y'all see that? I don't know what kind of paw print that is, but that was just after the rain. Coming and checking it out because we got that azalea food down there, and smelling like chicken poo. So I know they're just coming to check things out. Glad they didn't dig it up, because that's kind of one of those things that happens. But anyway, just wanted to get you guys an update. Hope y'all have an amazing 4th of July weekend. Much love to y'all. As always, stay tuned. I'll be doing like every 2 to 3 weeks, we'll be dropping an update on these girls. And yeah, stoked to see how this is gonna run out, guys. It's looking good. Great first week. Appreciate y'all. Much love. Till next time. Peace.